What's up, YouTube? Thank you so much for clicking on Wellness KE. It's time for yet another healthy and delicious recipe brought to you by our very own Wellness KE organic turmeric tea. We're making turmeric tea today, and as you can see, it looks really creamy, and it actually is a very simple recipe that's going to help you in beating inflammation, in fighting painful periods, cramps, lower back pain, inflammation all throughout your body. Not forgetting, it's actually going to help you in regulating your menstrual cycle for those of you who are struggling with PCOS, and so many other benefits. So we're going to need organic turmeric, some black pepper, some ginger, and some cinnamon. I want to remind you that black pepper is really important in this recipe because it's going to help you in making sure that the turmeric is well absorbed in the body. This is because turmeric contains an active ingredient known as curcumin, and curcumin is very difficult to absorb in the body. So black pepper helps it absorb faster. So we're going to need, as I've mentioned, a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of black pepper. You're actually going to need a teaspoon of cinnamon, some fresh ginger, a thumb size if you don't have a thumb size, or fresh ginger. Then you can use powdered ginger, half a teaspoon. So a glass of water will do for this recipe. If you want to add some milk, make sure it's a healthy source of milk. If you want to add plant-based milk, you can also use almond milk and rice milk, soy milk, or coconut milk. So now I'm adding all the ingredients into the sufuria or saucepan if you like. I want to add everything together and then stir it before I turn on the heat. So something I want to mention is that if you want a smooth and creamy tea, then you can actually take this mixture. Once you've added everything, before you turn on the heat, you can actually take this, put it in a blender, blend it really well, then put it in the sufuria and turn on the heat. It's actually going to make everything blend really well. But if you're okay with it this way, then it's still fine. I get to have mine just as it is. And this is what it's going to look like inside the sufuria. Make sure that everything has been, laid out really well in the sufuria. You can actually use a spoon and stir this a little bit to make sure that everything mixes really well, since we're not going to be doing the blending. And that's it. We're actually going to turn on the heat. This is a very simple recipe and it's very easy to prepare. It prepares within 3 minutes. Longest would be 5 minutes, but I wouldn't keep it for that long. You'll actually notice that the moment you turn on the heat, within 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes, it's actually going to start simmering and then boiling. As you can see here, it started boiling, and I know that the tea is almost ready, and the cinnamon always just smells so good. The aroma is really good. The tea is actually really delicious. I like it a lot, and I like to have this before a meal, an hour before a meal, or right after I've had a meal. So this tea is actually very beneficial if you want to improve your fertility, you want to improve uterine health, you want to make sure that you deal with menstrual cramps, you want to get rid of issues that are brought about by PCOS, like missing your period, not getting regular menstrual cycle, because ginger is going to be very beneficial for that, cinnamon is going to be very beneficial for that, and so is turmeric. And there you have it. Our tea is actually ready and we're about to just enjoy this. I had this with some dates. I know right now we are fasting, so I was not able to drink this tea at this very moment. But in the evening, I managed to warm it and have it with some dates right after I had my meal. So this organic turmeric tea is actually very beneficial for your health because turmeric has 3 properties that are very important in improving a woman's reproductive health: anti-inflammation and also liver detoxification, which is very important when it comes to hormonal balance. And not forgetting, turmeric actually has anti-cancer properties, so you really need to add it into your diet. So this tea, highly beneficial, delicious, easy to make, will help you even if you struggle with bloating. Actually, I notice every time I have this tea, if I was bloated after a meal, within a few minutes, I'm done with the bloating and I feel much better. So I want to advise you to add this into your diet. Ladies, You can actually place your order for organic turmeric tea. It's actually at 425 bob. We ship countrywide and there are no delivery charges so that you can be able to start having healthy uterus. And there you have it, a delicious cup of health. You can make this organic turmeric tea. Make sure that you hit the like button if you really enjoyed this video and found this helpful, because YouTube is going to suggest this video to more women if it has many likes. Don't forget to subscribe, ask any questions, place your order for organic turmeric tea and more products, because we want for you to start your healthy journey. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.